All right, math lesson for today. It is problem solving. We are going to use a model to solve problems. Now, before we start, we will do this page together. Here, remember when we do a problem solving, we listen to understand the problem first. So someone will read the problem to you. We make a plan. We solve the problem, then we always go back to check our work. Now, in this case, our plan is we are going to use 10 frames to help solve this problem. And the problem is an aquarium has some blue fish and some red fish. Are there more blue fish or red fish in the aquarium? We will use a 10 frame to solve the problem. So duck number one. For duck number one, we are going to count the blue fish and color in one circle, one counter for each blue fish. Now, remember, when we count, we put a line through it so we don't accidentally count one too many times or miss one out. So for this one, we're going to count one blue fish, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 blue fish. So we would draw, and in this case, you will actually trace the 12 counters. Remember, when we draw counters, start at this box, fill the top row, then go down to this box, fill the bottom row. And you know, if you have each box filled, that is 10, then we would draw 2 more counters to equal 12. Then we trace this number. So that's duck number 1. Heart number 2, we now count our redfish. Remember to cross it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We will then fill in our 10 frame with 9 counters. Again, filling the top row would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you will trace the 9. So we have 12 bluefish, 9 redfish. When we go down here, excuse me, butterfly number 3, we are going to rewrite the numbers. Butterfly 3, how many bluefish? We have 12. So as best I can with my mouse, I write 12. How many redfish? 9. We're going to rewrite them because we are going to compare these two numbers. We're going to compare 12 and 9. So for turtle 4, we're going to solve the problem. Are there more blue fish or red fish in the aquarium? Well, 2 things. Definitely more counters over here than here, or we also know 12 is greater than 9. There are more blue fish. So we would circle the blue fish. That is what we're doing on this page. We did with the counters. So you will do page, let's see, there's a lot of word problems on this page or on the in this section. We're just going to do 2 for now. But what you're going to do is the same thing for number 1 and 2. You're going to have mom or dad read the problem, make your plan, solve it, and go back to check. In this case, the plan, once again, is filling in our 10 frames with how many colored craft sticks Jan and Cindy have. And the problem is for this one is Cindy says she has fewer craft sticks than Jan. Jan says she has fewer craft sticks than Cindy. So who is correct? So you will draw your counters or for this and write the number for Cindy. You will do the same for Jan. Draw your counters for Jan. Rewrite the number. How many did Cindy have? How many did Jan have? and then circle Cindy if she was correct. If Cindy had fewer craft sticks, fewer is smaller, or circle Jan's name if Jan did. So that is what you're going to do for this page, and this time it's a sports thing. And what we're using is, for a model, our 10 frame. Okay, that is your math page for today. Tomorrow, let me see, what are we doing tomorrow? We are actually going to do a review. This is our last lesson in chapter 12. Can you believe it, how fast we're going? We're going to do a review for tomorrow and then just do a little assessment on Friday. All right, I will see you all soon. Take care.